What do you think? What kind of education we need now in the schools, and how we can prepare for the outcoming of the artificial intelligence?
Sure. I think a lot of universities which are really working on cutting edge technologies have already started incorporating AI and data science in their curriculum. We now have masters in data science and artificial intelligence itself. So what could be great, or what could be really cool, is if companies could start spreading the word in terms of what are the real applications in schools. Right now, schools are really heavy on computer and technology part of it, but what if they really started teaching people about the students who are the upcoming generation in terms of taking up all these advanced technologies? How can they go about this whole process? How can they really learn in their teaching environments how they can be more AI driven versus making it a truly more international and global approach of teaching and education? So I think that would be a cool way to do it.
So I think the ideal education for doing artificial intelligence is computer science as a basic education, and then specialize in the domain of artificial intelligence. That is ideal. But inside my company, I have also people educated in exact sciences that are different from computer science. Like myself, my first engineering study was automation, my second engineering study was physics, and only then in my PhD I did artificial intelligence. And I have several people that had done physics as a study, or had done electromechanics as a study, and then later throughout a PhD or through some post-master education, they acquired skills in programming, specifically in the subdomain of artificial intelligence.
Yeah, that's a really good question. No, I think one of the big markets, of course, is actually developing the AI. Right now, basically there is more demand for AI than there is supply. So we actually turn down some projects because we don't have the capacity anymore. And we know that a lot of other companies, for example here in the Netherlands, do the same thing. You can actually start selecting your projects because there's so much work available. And in the, only if something really big could change in the field, those jobs will disappear. But for now, there's always work and always cool projects to pick up.
Just be curious. That's just curiosity and question things, are more artistic. So basically, the question, can I rephrase the question, is like what it is to be human, right? So, and if you ask everybody when you're a kid, like, okay, maybe I want to do an artist, maybe you want to write books, you want to do these kind of things. So hopefully with a universal basic income, people will be able to actually do that and perform very well at doing this and have a career in a more human-like field of endeavor.